and then show strategies that are options. So here's a great one. Recently, another agent, which happens a lot, referred me to a client. We met the seller. They had a massive IRS tax lien. They had been renting the house for years. It was in bad shape. They didn't have the money to fix it. Now, keep in mind, they're 15 years in ownership as a rental, so they're going to have some long-term capital gains tax problems. Plus, they owe back taxes, like 17 years of back taxes that are liened against this property. Before we opened escrow, we had a lien report pulled. There was $280,000 worth of tax liens. So these people were going to break even, essentially. Well, once we got escrow opened, a bunch of those tax liens fell off and they only owed $15,000 IRS. So surprise, they have $225,000. Here's the kicker. When they get that $225,000, they're going to have a massive tax liability from the capital gains over the years. Well, we turned those tax IRS liens into seller carry for them and put that money to work against the property for us. And now they don't have the tax liability because they're doing seller carry and they carried all of it in the note. So now they're earning $1,000 a month in interest off of money they didn't know they had, all because we were able to guide them through that process. They didn't put it on the market. And then here's the cooler part. When I took it, I was going to fix it up, and I found a family that's partnering with their kids that wanted to do the sweat equity. So I made a good spread in between. I didn't have to do anything with it. I made that in a week. I solved seller's problem. I solved buyer's problem, and I got paid in the middle for solving everybody's problems.